This video is going to cover a trick. A trick when a library emails and says, help, the content from a certain page has disappeared. Can you help me? So a lot of times we can't be sure what the exact cause is until we take a look. However, there is one trick that may resurrect a former status of a page without having to go to Chris for help. Chris has a method that's a deeper dive that we can avoid because it's a lot of work for him. So let's try this first tip on how to resurrect a page. So the first thing that I'm seeing when I click into the River Falls website is that there's something in the trash can. So maybe a page was accidentally deleted. We can take it out of the trash. That's one trick. And then there's a second option. So let's first see what's in here. New page template. So first I'm going to see if there already is a page template in here. I don't see one. So in the trash, I'm going to restore the new page template. Okay, now I know that the page is the community cares or the community care page. So what I'm going to do and try the second trick because we took the page out of the garbage, but it wasn't the correct page. So let's go to community care. And this is where the problem's coming on. So sometimes Divi, which is the item that's powering this 3-choice option here, takes on, it just makes decisions, right? So this would be scary to a library that says, well, I don't want to start over from scratch. But what it's saying is, yes, we could go these new options and do a new layout and not have any content, but 9 times out of 10, all we need to do is say start building in the build from scratch. And yes, I see that there's no content here, but here's the big trick. On the right-hand side of the page, there's a spot that says revisions, right? So we can go back and grab a former copy. So how would this happen? You know, maybe someone was talking and the webmaster accidentally clicked the garbage bin when they didn't mean to, or something on the page. Whatever the cause, it appeared that the page was gone and there's nothing we can do, and it said start from scratch or nothing. But all we're gonna do is we got that screen out of the way by choosing build on the left-hand side, build from scratch, because we wanted to get to this setting on the back end side in the published area. So clicking on revisions, I hit browse, and up here is where we can get back to the changes. So the erasure must have happened about 3 hours ago. So I'm going to click to 20. See, all of a sudden there's this new stuff in here. So I'm going to say restore this version. And I can preview the changes to see what's going to appear on here. Awesome. Here we go. And I'm going to click update. So now it might not be the most up-to-date that of the changes the person had been making, but at least they are not starting from scratch. So that's very helpful. A second possibility is someone comes to a page and they see this. They don't see any of the gray boxes, and so they panic. And they say, all my page content is gone. Well, that is because these carrots can shrink down everything that's in a section or a row, that kind of thing. So acting as an accordion hider, we need to be sure that the carrots are all activated so we can see all the content.